Binging with Babish chef's knife. This thing's scratched to heck with one of those tumbler sharpening systems. Straight from his kitchen. We're gonna review it, then we're gonna delete all the scratches, and we're gonna see if the Babish knives are all they're cracked up to be. All right, let's grind. Babish, this handle feels like a stinking brick, brother. The blade though, the profile, everything else, we've got some potential here. Yeah, buddy. You probably want to see the finished product, right? They'll be available here in a second at the end of the video, so stick around another minute. Holy cow, first time ever, I got to use a Tormek mod on a 2x42 by Bucktool. This variable speed grinder, absolute game changer. Do you see how quick I raised that burr? That's insane. I flattened it out. I didn't do that part on camera, but insanely fast. And what's cool is we can start on a belt grinder and we have the choice to finish on a Tormek. Or maybe we finish on a bench grinder. Or maybe we go to our 1x30. There's so many options. There's so many different kinds of steels out there. We have choices. But how do you make a choice when there's so many different combinations? I'll tell you how. The way I do it, the Sharpeners Discord, if it wasn't for those guys, this procedure would have never happened tonight. So big thank you to the Sharpeners Discord. If you haven't heard of it or if you haven't joined, it's absolutely free. We're not charging you $500 to learn how to sharpen. We're not charging you $100 a month, whatever. It's free. And there's professionals in there. There's hobbyists. There's knife collectors, knife makers. It's a awesome place to hang out. I'm in there every day. Well, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy these photos.